So Lisamarie and I met 12 years ago now. Her mom works for my dad, and we went out for my 22nd birthday party, and she came out with my sister, and we started, hanging out then a little bit, but it wasn't until about 5 years ago we started hanging out for Hawks games, and it sparked from there. Our first date was actually a night at my house with a couple drinks and some N64 games. We played N64 and just kind of hung out, and that's kind of where it started from. So the proposal, we had a family vacation planned with her family in Las Vegas. Her and I flew out a day early, and on July 27th, 2016, we went out and we visited Old Vegas, and I had kind of planted the seed work before we left that I wanted to get a character drawn of the two of us.
It was my turn to buy drinks, so I went to the bar and bought drinks, and while I was there, he was telling the character artist what he wanted to draw. And so we're sitting there, and there's a little boy next to us, so I kept looking at the little boy, and he kept pulling me back, like, don't look, don't look. As the guy turned around the picture, and it was a picture of us that said, will you marry me on it?
We stick together.
My best friend, my biggest challenge. You support me, you lift me up when I'm ready to give up. You make me laugh when I want to cry. Most of all, you love me. Every day, even when I'm challenging you. I promise to have patience, even when it's worn thin. I promise to continue to laugh every day, hold your hand every night. I promise to love all of you, all of the time. But above all else, I want to tell you exactly how I feel. Never gonna give you up.
Yes!
Never gonna let you down.
Yes!
I'm never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry.
You gonna say goodbye?
Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
You know what? I cannot promise a marriage of perfect happiness, perfection, and sunshine all the time. Nor can I promise that I will always do the right thing, or that I will never be angry or let the clouds dampen my mood. But I vow that I will always have a cheese stick readily available for you, and that we will be together in whatever life may bring us. because you have taught me that the two people joined together with respect, trust, and open communication are far stronger and happier than we could ever be alone. I vow to be patient and to remember that all things between us are rooted in love. I vow to nurture your dreams and to help you achieve them. I vow to share my whole heart with you and to remember to show you how deep my love is for you, no matter the challenges thrown our way. So I'll never give you up. I'll never let you down. Yes. I'm never gonna run around, and I won't desert you. But I can promise to always be there for you and to be present, and at this ceremony, your face and this ring will return to me, and I will continue to love you now as I do today. Today I choose to spend the rest of my life with you and to love you for who you are today and who you have yet to become.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
As I place it on your finger,
I commit my heart and soul to you.
I ask you to wear this ring
I ask you to wear this ring
as a reminder of the vows we have spoken today.
say that again?
I ask to wear this ring as a reminder of the vows we have spoken today on our wedding day.
Nice. You guys may kiss the bride.
Get out of the way.
Love you.
Love you. Getting a massage.